Chris Erkley here for the Press Enterprise. I'm joined by Brian Rokos. He's been following the opening statements today for the case against Earl Ellis Green. Opening statements in the trial. He is charged with the murder of Riverside police officer Ryan Bonaminio. That happened back in 2010. Brian, just give us a little quick breakdown of exactly what happened this morning.
Well, the defense attorney, Gail O'Rain, took the drama out of the guilt phase of the trial by standing up in court and saying that Earl Ellis Green murdered Ryan Bonaminio. And in doing so, she also set the stage for the penalty phase by arguing that this would be second-degree murder and not first-degree murder. The prosecution is seeking a conviction of first-degree murder and the death penalty.
So really, there's no guilt up for debate right now. It's just a matter of will he receive the death penalty or not.
That's correct. The Gail O'Rain and the defense is going to say that Green, his state of mind was not such that he knowingly or cruelly or with malice killed Bonaminio, that perhaps he was upset at being kicked out of a relative's house. The prosecution, meanwhile, is trying to counter anything that might be said in testimony that would indicate that Green acted irrationally or was upset or drunk at the time.
And right before the lunch recess, there was a key witness on the stand. Just give us a little bit of what happened right before the break.
Stephen McQueen was near Fairmont Park. He was in the parking lot of the Center for Spiritual Living. He's a homeless person but volunteers there, does some work in the yard, and he was outside his car in the parking lot, and he said he saw a man attack a police officer. He hasn't identified Green in court yet, but we're expecting that when testimony resumes this afternoon.
And what can we expect this afternoon?
Well, they left off the testimony this morning with a man having hit a police officer with a pipe 3 times, the police officer getting back to his feet and saying, "Don't do it, don't do it." And based on the groundwork laid by Deputy District Attorney Michael Hestron, the next testimony will be that Earl Green shot Ryan Bonaminio in the back of the head.
All right, plenty more interesting witness testimony this afternoon. The case is expected to take about 6 weeks total, so plenty more to unfold here in the coming weeks. For now, I'm Chris Erkley, joined by Brian Rokos, and stay tuned to PE.com for more on the Bonaminio case.